Hi guys, welcome back to Atharv Guruji channel. Today we will learn how to create a rolling calendar in Power BI using M code. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So basically, creating a dynamic rolling calendar can help user save time in managing reports that require frequent updates. So in layman language, you can say like this: if you want to generate a list of dates dynamically, suppose I want to generate a list from 1st Jan 2025 to current date, then I will create a rolling calendar. So let's see. Simple, just click here, get data, click here, blank query. Just rename this query 1 to rolling calendar. Okay, just press enter. Equal to has date. I want to print date from 2025 1st Jan 2025 to current date. So simple, write like this: 2025 comma 1 comma 1. Just press on enter. So see, nothing is happen, only first date is printed. So now just click here FX and see something interesting. Type here list dot dates. Type here, see this first. So this has three parameters. First is start as date, counter as number, and step as duration. So start as date is source for us. Source, comma, simple, write like this: number from date time dot local. Now minus number dot from source. Simple. Now we have to write duration. Has duration. Duration need 1 day. 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. Simple. So basically you have to know about this. This M code is case sensitive. Just press enter. Just second. Press enter. See this. Now I have one list of dates list. So see this. This start from 1st Jan 2025 to current date, today's date. So today's date is 16 March because I'm recording this video on 16 March. Simple. Now you see something interesting here. In the transform section, we have a convert to table option. Just click here. See this. Select or enter delimiter none. How to handle extra column so as errors. Just click here. OK. Just update this column name to date. Change the data type, date. Now if you want to add any columns using this date, you just go here, add column, and use this option date. I want to get the year, just click here, year. Select this again. If you want to add more one column, I want start of month. See this. If you want any other column like end of month, just select this again. If you want days in month, add this. If you want weeks of month. Simple. Now if you want to save this, just go here, home, and close and apply. Just click. Loading data. Now see this 75 rows loaded. Simple. See this? Interesting? So guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.